The old stone barn in the countryside. I'm going to have a go today at painting this scene. What attracted me to this was the bright colours, the sun shining from the left, lovely bright green grass in the fields, super stonework of the building itself, and some nice colours up in the sky here. So that's the target for today. I plan to do this painting in 3, possibly 4 parts. It seems to be quite popular. I'm just looking at some of the comments where you like to see bits at a time rather than just charge through and do the whole painting. So I'll probably do the sky, there are the fields and the barn and the trees towards the end. So I'll start off again, my usual technique, with a sketch of the scene first, and then we'll do some painting. Just let you see this again. The fields are probably about just less than halfway. What we've got to watch is to make sure we get this barn in proportion. We don't want to make it too big. Don't want to make it too small. Right, so I'm going to start off with that, the fields in the distance there coming along, and then they go up there. Now, there's, I think I'll start off with this left hand side, the small part of the barn. Just get this in. Right, so there's a bit of a wall here, it goes up quite a bit. Then we've got the bigger barn which comes along here. And that goes up like so. Finish off the roof. And that's that wall there. And there's a wall straight along the back. This is where the trees will go, but we'll paint that in later. I just want to finish off this little bit. There's another wall, the opening through here. So I think that's quite nice. Okay, so here we are at part 1. I'm going to tackle the sky. I'm going to use a slightly different technique which I quite like. Probably a little bit more technical than the dabbing out with the towel. So what I'm going to do here is I've just got some clean water, and I'm dragging it across the paper in bits. I want to leave some white bits for clouds in the sky. So just 1 or 2 there, and we'll take that right across. I want to fill this bit in with the blue, and I'm just going to leave a bit there. Right, so that's the water on. So what we need to do now is just mix up the colours. So I'm going to use cobalt blue, a nice, probably about a 6 or a 7 value we need. And as usual, I just add a little bit of that Windsor blue, phthalo blue colour, and it warms it up nicely. So back to the paper, and let's have a go at this. Right, so I'm just trying to put this into the water that I put on earlier, and it's nice on the bits that are left. The dry paper, as you can see, it gives some super broken edges, which is quite nice. So I just want to get that in down here. Just take it up round the barn. And there's one or two bits over here. Still wet there, which is good. Wet down here. And some dry bits up there. Get these lovely broken edges, as I said earlier, they're nice. So, right, I think that's about it. What I want to do quickly while that's drying, I want to just add a touch of light red, just let you see that light red to this blue. Get a nice, looking for a nice grey, just mixed up there. So when he drops some in, there's one or two bits about there. Take a bit up there as well. As you can see, this is all wet into wet. And when this dries, it's quite effective. It's nice. Gives you that'll do, I think. Right. Just going to let that dry now, and that'll be that finished. Right, that's the sky finished now. I really like how these colours have just blended together. Gives it a bit of atmosphere in the sky.